Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use your sketch pencil kit. First, unpack all the tools from your kit, including various pencils, erasers, and blending tools. Next, organize your pencils by their grades, from hard H to soft B, to easily select the right tool. Finally, prepare your drawing surface, like a sketch pad or loose paper, ensuring it is stable and ready for your creative work. This initial setup helps streamline your artistic process and prepares you for drawing. Now, let's explore pencil grades. H pencils, like a 2H or 4H, contain more clay, making them harder and ideal for light, precise lines and initial sketches. B pencils, such as a 2B or 6B, have more graphite, resulting in softer, darker marks perfect for deep shading and rich tones. The HB pencil sits in the middle, offering a versatile balance. Experiment with this range from 9H to 9B to achieve varied line weights and tonal depth in your artwork. With your pencils ready, let's dive into essential sketching techniques. Start with hatching, drawing parallel lines to create tone. Closer lines mean darker shades. Then, try cross-hatching, layering lines in opposing directions for deeper shadows and texture. Remember to control your pencil pressure. A light touch yields faint lines, while more pressure creates bold, dark strokes. Practice these methods to build form and dimension in your drawings, making your sketches more dynamic. Finally, let's maximize your kit's accessories. Kneaded erasers are moldable tools perfect for lifting graphite, softening edges, and adding precise highlights without leaving crumbs. Blending stumps, made of rolled paper, are excellent for smoothing out pencil marks, creating seamless tonal transitions, and filling in paper texture. Keep your pencils sharp using a quality manual sharpener for general use, or a utility knife and sandpaper for achieving extra long, fine points, essential for detailed work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.